Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a special video for you. I'm a big successful YouTuber. One of the perks of being a successful YouTuber is the fortune, and that means I can afford things that normal people can't afford. One of those things is this Wagyu A5 steak I purchased from Costco. Because I have what's called executive memberships to Costco. This gives us perks such as separate lines. Somebody pushes the cart for me when I go in. It's just great. It's like a five-star hotel, but at Costco. So, you know what? You've seen enough. I'm gonna cook one of these steaks today and just try and explain to one of you normal people how something this exquisite tastes. This is the steak we're gonna be cooking today. As you can see here, this steak costs $99 for 1 pound. I actually had to Google whether $100 a pound is expensive because I have so much money I don't even know anymore. And I guess it is. I guess a lot of people can't afford to eat like this. So this will be fun for you guys. Maybe you can learn a little bit and learn what it's like to live a luxurious lifestyle such as myself. All right, guys, let's get to cooking. So first things first, we need to defrost this. I'm gonna stick this in the microwave. This is about 1 pound. So we're going to use our microwave's defrost setting here, and we're off. Well, looks like it's done defrosting. Get it out of this packaging here. You can tell it's done defrosting when you see a little bit of browning on the edges. Don't throw this away just yet. I'll have more on this later. We're going to keep the seasoning simple. We're just going to use a little salt. How do you like that? It's pretty cool, huh? And a little bit of pepper. There's differing ways of cooking these. This is the correct way. You want to stick the steak onto the pan and then turn on the heat to high. This keeps you from burning the outside of the steak. We're going to leave it on this side for about 7 to 8 minutes. Doesn't that look delicious? Looks like it's about time to flip it over. You guys have probably never seen a beautiful crust like that because you buy your steaks at grocery outlet, right? Done with this. Now we're going to take it off heat. And we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. While it's resting, we're going to put a little bit of this Kerrygold butter on there. Now that the steak's had some time to rest, we're going to go ahead and cut it up. Check it out. Look at that. Cooked to absolute perfection. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. It's a shame more people can't afford meat like this. Maybe one of these days I'll do a Wagyu beef giveaway. Look at that. You don't need to go to some expensive restaurant. You just need to go buy an extremely expensive steak and make it at home. I don't know about you guys, but I'm certainly ready to eat. Being this is a $100 a pound steak, we're going to use the gold silverware for this occasion. Let's dig in. It is so tender. Super buttery. It just melts in your mouth. Wait. That is just butter. I don't know how to explain this to people who can't afford these things. Let me see if I can try. Let me try them. Imagine eating a Big Mac. Oh, or better yet, a flame-grilled Whopper. But it's just the meat. It's like that, but even better. Maybe it's like a really good Costco hot dog on a summer day. It sucks that you guys can't afford stuff like this because you're really missing out. All this steak's making me thirsty. Oh, I'm sorry. Have I no class? I was having a hard time narrowing down what the flavor is, but this tastes like, does this taste like you're just better than other people? Too bad you'll never know what that's like. What's a steak without the side dishes, right? Really pairs good. The spiciness of the mac and cheese complements the butteriness of the steak. Man, that's really good. Being rich and famous really has its perks. You know what's funny? You see that sign there? You happen to notice that there's a dog there? It's no coincidence. It kind of sucks because I eat so much Wagyu, I just get tired of it. Like, what's for dinner tonight? Oh, Wagyu beef again. Well, I gotta take this. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, I'm just shooting a video for my YouTube channel. What do you mean my rent check bounced? Of course I got money in there. You know what? Let me go take care of something and then try to check again later, okay? Remember I told you not to get rid of the packaging? Well, here's a little life hack. I'm gonna go ahead and return this to Costco and get a full refund. Follow me for more pro tips. Well, that was absolutely delicious. No Wagyu steak dinner would be complete without a little dessert. And this one is my favorite. This is a blue raspberry fruit roll-up. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And until next time, don't forget, I'm better than you. Exquisite.